In this video, I'll show you how to back up a WordPress site in your Namecheap account manually. So let's get started with the video. Once you're logged into your Namecheap account, click the Dashboard tab. Next, click Hosting List on the left side of the screen. Then on the right side, click Go to cPanel. This will take you to the cPanel Settings page. Now scroll down and click WordPress Manager under the Software section. On this page, you'll see all the WordPress sites set up in Namecheap account. To back up a WordPress site, click the V-shaped arrow next to the site. Scroll down to the bottom and click the Backup button. Here, you can add a backup note, then click Backup Installation to start the backup process. Once the backup is complete, you can click here to download a copy of the backup to your computer. With this, we've come to the end of the video. Please like and comment if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates whenever we post new content.